myself, I am not going to be trapped in a vehicle with this cat, so... No.
No, we didn't.
She just said cat.
She was free.
We love you so much, kitty cat. $1 million.
God makes messy things beautiful when you put them in His hands. God makes messy things beautiful like only He can. After the showers, look for the flowers, and you'll find out it's beautiful. God makes messy things beautiful.
What? I don't know. Probably says no trespassing.
It does.
Well, we want to take a look because this is some property that we are interested in. Are you gonna try to go in there?
No, I'm not gonna try to.
You're gonna try
Don't
to?
be filming me trying to get in.
Well, we want to buy some of this, and we've already contacted the people, and they said they'd be willing to divide it up. So we came out here. We want to go see. Marty.
Come on.
Here, take this.
Just pass her.
Oh, I almost dropped the camera. So anyways, I can't wait to see what's over once we get up to the hill. That's a long walk though.
It is. Well, it's 500 some odd acres.
500 and something acres. We want to buy a portion of it. If we could buy the whole 500, that'd be great, but
We don't have that much money.
yet. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. Way on down there.
That's the portion we would want to buy.
No, but look at this view. Holy cow.
Look behind you.
It's amazing. It's so pretty. I can't really see much behind me. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Ignore my breathing. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Can we just build the house right here? It's incredible. Look at this. Sorry, it's windy. I'll try to block the wind. Of course, there's trees right there, but it's awesome. See, that's the property down there. That's the portion that we'd want to buy, is down there. Because it's very gently rolling. It's not this sharp, steep hill. He's still walking. Quit walking. Now we're trucking our way down. Show me your head, Mr. Shaved Head. We got a cat. You're happy, aren't you? It's just a cat. I could see it all over your foush. Your foush? I can see it on your foush. It's not a face, it's a foush. I see it on your foush. He's thrilled because he's been wanting a kitty for a long time, and she is, we believe she's Russian blue.
No. They call it a nebulong.
Nebulong.
Or nebulung? Nebulung.
Something, but she's like hypoallergenic, so.
She's the long-haired version of a Russian blue.
Oh, so she kind of looks like Pebbles when she gets bigger.
Yeah.
Maybe? Aw. Sort
Long-haired
of.
version of Russian blue.
Look at her.
Called Nebulung.
The
I
kids
actually
don't know yet, so.
I actually never heard of the breed until Clay mentioned it in his post. And then when Clay mentioned it, yeah, well, we're moving.
We're moving.
So I
Okay,
don't think
I
she's gonna.
I'm a little shaky, but there's Atlanta, huh? Oh, I'm very shaky. Well, it doesn't help that I got her crawling up me. You need to sit still. It's blurry.
Something about my truck.
Hey, you need to sit still. You need to sit still. It's okay. She's a little freaked out. I look great, don't I? Look at my eyeball. I just have to remind myself I am not going to be trapped in a vehicle with this cat, so.
And she is full-blooded.
A hypoallergenic breed, but
even hypoallergenic does this to Christmas.
yeah. Look at my chest. But I have to remind myself I'm not going to be trapped in a vehicle with her all the time, so. She's still cute. Yes, you are. I'll suffer for you, and I'll suffer for you.
Playing with the cat.
Was she? Get it. Oh, no, now she's getting away. What?
There's a cat.
Stop being loud.
Don't be loud. You don't want to scare her. Let's go show her to everybody.
We're just borrowing her.
No, we're just borrowing her. You can come see her. Come see her.
This cat is cute.
Is she cute? Well, we have to take her in
Hold her yet.
first.
We gotta go
Yeah.
eat. You can pet her.
We got to get her inside, though, so she can get used to it. What do y'all think about her name?
Solara.
Cinderella? What?
No,
Solora.
Solora.
Solora?
Where did you come up with that?
She just made it up. We were thinking maybe calling her Trixie.
Why? Is she gray?
Because it just went. It just kind of seemed like she looked like a cute little Trixie. What do you think?
Does that mean?
Look, Jojo.
Do we buy her?
No.
No, we didn't.
She just said cat.
She was free.
She just said cat.
Cat.
Hey, cat. Hey, cat. Say cat.
She's a little bit older than I thought she was going to be.
Did you say cat?
Well, she is a kitten, Mama.
She is still a kitten. She's teeny. We're back home. We had to go to Walmart and get some things for the kitty cat
We
while
had
we
a
were
coconut.
out. Hold on, it's not a drink. While we were out, we bought a
Coconut, and we
coconut.
got
No,
all.
we already dumped the juice out. See, it's right in there. Oh, where is it? There it is. And it tastes really yummy. We already, at least, okay, I've had coconut plenty of times in my life, but they haven't. So we're gonna break it open now. Do you think you can do it? Be very careful of your fingers. If you can't do it, Mommy will do it. All right, I think Mommy needs to do it. You're holding on to it and it's freaking me out because I'm like, you're gonna smash your fingers. All right, let Mommy do it. All right, Audrey's wants to take a turn. Don't smash your fingers, please. Oh, what about Whit? Do you want to take a whack at it?
No.
No? Okay, here, hold this. I'll get
Mommy's
it.
turn.
I know the battery's about to die
Okay.
on it, but that's okay.
Done.
Okay, let's take it down
Done.
Let's do it down here. You ready?
Smash.
Stand back.
Bah, bah,
All we're basically trying to do is just get it to break
bah,
across the seam.
bah, bah.
Woo, it's rolling away. Up, we're getting it. It's starting to crack.
Ah. Ooh. Look at you smashing it.
See? Look at it.
Oh, I see the crack.
It is. Okay, let's go all the way around. Make sure you're filming it. You're looking, but you're not filming.
Smush. Smush. Smush.
Okay. Is it enough for me to pry it apart?
Yes.
Oh, it's just, hey, film! You gotta film! You don't have to look for the
Oh, it's 1 minute.
Oh, look, it only, just the outer shell came off, but that's cool. Okay, look. All right,
Oh, there we
film.
go.
Jedediah, you're doing a terrible job filming. Okay. Break it apart. Let's put it up on the table now. Let's put it up on the table now. All right, Jedediah's gonna try to break it apart. Careful. Why do you do it that way? You know that there's a flat part of this, right? The flat part. Don't hit your thumb. Okay, I'm pretty sure we don't have to smack it anymore. You just gotta pry it apart. Come on, He-Man it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah! Ooh. What, you gonna start eating some of it? Oh my goodness. Come here, let me see. What do you think? You thinking about it? It's different from the shreds because the shreds usually have sugar added onto them. That one's just a straight up plain coconut. It's good. You gonna taste it, Audrey? Did you get some?
Can you taste the brown?
Yeah, you can eat some of the brown. Oh man. You guys, you want to taste it? Mommy loves coconuts. It's so good, you guys. No, Kitty doesn't eat coconut. We need to film the kitty though. My battery's about died. She gonna come out?
Josie, hey, guys.
Let me come around this side. Y'all give her space.
No crowd.
She's gonna get used to us. Our house is a wreck, but painting will commence this week. Those cabinets will be painted. Woo! Well, Audrey, let her.
What is the kitty doing?
You trying to turn her around? Trixie! Turn around this way. Trixie! Trixie! Pretty girl.
Here, you.
Guys, Audrey.
Okay, let her get used to us. She doesn't know us yet, okay? We don't want to scare her. We love you so much, kitty cat.
Toys for her.
We can just get string. She'll play with string.
Oh, string.
Let me see. Oh,
Yeah, sorry.
look. Oh my goodness. We need to turn on some lights. It's so dark in here.
Let Livy in.
I just put Livy out.
Oh. Was she that bad?
No, she wanted to go out. She didn't want anything to do with the kitty cat. Okay, Jedediah, you are wild. Calm down.
I can't.
Oh, Josie.
Don't kill her. Don't hurt the kitty.
No. Look at her. I got it. Oh, it's kind of fitting that the great and powerful Trixie is attacking the wand. Goodness, Josie.
Josie's like, the cat's so cute. I want
Okay,
to
go,
scratch
Audrey.
her.
Let me see. Ah, she's cutting it. Whitaker, I can't see, bud. Sit next to mommy. Look at her. She's trying to get away.
Audrey, you have to have a low.
You gotta get her attention with it. Do it across the ground. Josie's fingers.
On the ground. Audrey, on the ground.
Down on the ground. Go. Come on.
Audrey. Audrey. Put it on the ground. Pull it.
Wiggle it around. Wiggle it around. Do it across the floor. Get her to chase it across the floor.
I can't believe we had a kitten. Can't believe we had a kitten.
A kiffin.
Kitten will turn into a,
Can't believe we have a kiffin.
kitten will turn into a cat.
Kitten will turn into a kitty cat. Now Whitaker's doing it. Watch Josie. Do it on the ground. Chase, like, get her to chase it across the ground. There you go. Ah, she's I think she's lost interest in it. Ah, look at her. There she goes. Josie's going gentle,
Wait, she's
gentle.
playing the. She's opening her claws. She's opening her claws.
You like a kitty? Do you like a kitty?
I heard a scratch.
Yes.
Kitty's putting her claws.
She is. She's
Oh, she's looking.
trying to get it. Nom, 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 nom.
She's biting me.
No, gentle.
Gentle.
Gentle. Yeah, gentle. Good job.
No, no.
Gentle. Gentle.
Yay.
Gentle. $1 million.
So that's not very much. Oh, $1 billion. That's not very much.
Well, didn't he start with 100?
I don't remember.
$1,000 or something like that.
No, it was $1 million. And
I thought he got up to 1 million. Piggy.
no, he went up to like 100 trillion.
Something dorky like that.
And he tried like 3 times.
Gentle. Gentle.
All right, bed.
It's bedtime, you guys.
Everybody,
Bedtime.
bed. We got a cat.
Bedtime.
Bed. You need to
Good
pray.
night, Trixie.
So go over there.
Trixie.
I don't necessarily want her roaming the house.
Yeah, we're gonna probably keep like doors shut and no, we don't need her roaming everywhere because I don't want her to get in somewhere and I can't find where she's at. So
Well, that and you don't want her to poop a pee somewhere.
yeah, no poo poo, no pee pee anywhere, okay? Our children already do that. Cheese. Say goodnight, kitty. You're cute.
God made you special and he loves you. He loves you. God made you special and he loves you. He loves you very much.